Hello, welcome to Cooking Barbecue 24/7. Today I have a great recipe I'm looking forward to sharing with you. So hey, no further ado, let's get cooking. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm doing this crazy recipe I came across. I was like a low carb egg roll in a bowl. I was like, wow, what is that? And I started doing some research, got inspired from some other YouTubers. And I said, hey, you know what? I'm going to stop by my local grocery store after work. And I'm going to make this for you guys and to have to eat for a few days for my lunch at work. Here I have some ground turkey. It's a pound and a quarter, a bag of shredded coleslaw mix, some low sugar hoisin sauce that I got off Amazon. It'll be in the description. A bottle of low sodium soy sauce, chicken base powder, black pepper, garlic powder, and off camera all I use is a little bit of vegetable oil to help get my turkey cooking and going. And guys, I just forgot, I also have a piece of ginger right there. It's about the size of a thumb. Use it as much as you like. If you're a ginger fan, use more. If you're not too big on the ginger, use a little less. Everyone in the comments below, let me know what is one of your favorite low carb meals that you guys like to prepare. And that way I can get more ideas for my personal self, and also I can make a video also. Thank you. Here I'm already cut up my ginger real finely, and I'm adding my ginger, black pepper, garlic powder, and chicken base. And guys, just be very careful with the chicken base. A little bit of that goes a long way because it has a high sodium level, and also with the low sodium soy sauce. So I rather use less, taste it, and then you come back and adjust your flavors to what you're liking. But just be careful with this chicken base powder and the soy sauce because it can get salty very fast. And just like that, we have our turkey nice and brown. I'm going to let this go a little bit more off camera to get it a little bit browner. But I'm also transferring this into a large pot just to make it easy to stir, less mess, and just more space. And I don't want it to spill over. So here we go. I'll just for sake of it, I'd like to put the cabbage at the bottom, just get it cooked faster. It can dwindle down, and that way I don't have to stir it up as much. And I just put the meat on the top. I'm going to put the meat on the top, add some of that low sugar hoisin sauce and the soy sauce. And less is best, and you can always add, because you know some of these things are very high in sodium, so just be careful. Less is best. You can always add versus overdoing it and you can't take away. So here we go. Here we go. Off camera, I tasted it. Still need a little bit more soy sauce, hoisin sauce, and chicken base. So we're just going to add a little bit more. Give this a good stir and let it go. I tell people all the time in my comments, if something I do that, ingredient they do not like or don't agree with, substitute it for things that you and your family like. Make it your dish. Family, if you're enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. It would really help the channel. And one more thing, I know everybody's on social nowadays. Please share these videos on social. That way they can get in the hands of folks who are looking for low carb recipes, folks who are looking for quick meal preps, and get these videos going. Thank you. And just like that, it's done. I'm going to let it cool, and I'm going to plate it up and show you guys the final pictures and the final videos. So here we go. And just like that, you can serve it with some fresh fruit, some more vegetables, a side salad, whatever you like you and your family to have. Thank you guys for watching this video. Until next week, cook and barbecue 24/7.